Some luxury items are worth it in India, others are total waste. Here's the truth. After years of navigating the world of luxury purchases, I have developed a keen understanding of which items provide real value in India and which ones are simply overpriced hype. Let's talk about where your money can be well spent and where it might just go down the drain. Quality leather goods, like a classic leather bag or wallet from brands such as Hidesign or international players, are truly a worthy investment. These items can last 10-20 years, improving in appearance with age. When you break it down, a 15,000 bag that you use for 15 years costs you just 1,000 annually. A much smarter choice than frequently replacing cheaper options. On the flip side, designer t-shirts and basic clothing from extravagant luxury brands are a total waste. Think about this. A 40,000 Gucci t-shirt offers the same quality as a 2,000 unbranded shirt. You're essentially paying 38,000 for a logo rather than actual quality. The fabric, construction, and durability are virtually identical. High-quality mattresses and bedding also deserve a nod of approval. Given that you spend a significant portion of your life sleeping, investing in an 80,000 premium mattress from brands like Wakefit or Sunday is worth every penny. A good mattress can enhance your sleep quality, which directly impacts your health, productivity, and overall mood. On the contrary, luxury cars meant for daily driving in India can be quite impractical. Take a 60 lakh BMW, for example. It will lose 25 lakhs in value within 3 years and could cost you around 6 lakhs annually in maintenance, insurance, and fuel. Instead, a reliable car such as a Honda City priced at 15 lakhs will get you to your destination without the hefty expenses. And you don't have to worry when it inevitably gets scratched. Invest in quality shoes from brands like Clarks or Red Tape. Spending 8,000 on well-made shoes can lead to 5 years of comfort and health benefits. In contrast, cheap 1,500 shoes might only last 6 months and could cause foot issues in the long run. Lastly, let's talk about designer sunglasses. A pair from Ray-Ban or Prada can set you back 25,000, but they offer the same UV protection as a 2,000 pair from Decathlon. Your money is primarily going towards the brand name, not necessarily better eye protection. In summary, buy luxury items that promise quality and longevity, like leather goods, mattresses, and quality shoes. Avoid things like designer basics, luxury cars for daily use, and high-end sunglasses that don't provide additional value. So, what luxury item do you think is worth it in India? Let's get the conversation going in the comments.